Hey guys, it's Mimi and I'm back with another video. Me and my mom went to Five Below. We got these 3 eggs. It's supposed to have like squishy toys, I think, and like slime. So we're gonna open these. But first, I'm going to be talking about them. So yeah.
What is it called?
It's called Putty Surprise and Jelly Toy.
Okay.
So it probably has like the slime inside the toy. So yeah, that's how it makes it squishy. So
You think they have more colors?
Yeah.
Really? Because we only saw, what, 3 at the store?
No, they have like red and purple. So yeah.
Okay.
So let's get started. I have so much glitter on my hand. It's literally getting on the egg. Hope it's not another glittery blue one.
Maybe it is.
I don't know. Probably gonna be like pink or purple or something.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like an ocean blue.
You need me to cut that?
Yeah. So my mom opened this so we can finally, let's go. Finally a different color, it's pink.
Is it?
No, it's like clear.
Let me see.
Oh, it's pink. It's pink. I was right.
All right, open it up.
Really quick. Look. Oh, oh. Whoa! Whoa! This smells.
I forgot they were scented.
Yeah, I know. Like it smells. That one smells weird.
This is like the dark blue.
Yeah, it's like galaxy.
It does smell weird. I thought it was going
know.
to smell like blueberries or something.
Yeah, that one smells good.
This is like the ocean blue you said. It's glittery. It's so cool
This smells
to
so
play
good.
with.
This is like, oh my gosh, I love it.
Babe, they smell the same.
They do?
Yeah, the dark blue one and the ocean blue one.
It's probably those.
Let me see the pink one.
Ooh, squishies.
Oh, this one smells different. This one
I
actually
know,
smells
like,
good.
Yeah, I love this one. It's like a cotton candy color. Okay, so let's just move on because I'm ready to take this off.
And what are these? All the surprises?
Yeah.
I think I started to open this one for you because it's hard to open.
Wait, oh, I did it. Ew! Ew, that's so weird. Ew, ew, ew.
What is it, a baby
ew,
squishy?
Ew, it's like jelly.
Let me
It's
see.
sticky. You stick on the table. Like, it's so weird.
It's a jelly baby.
I know. Like, where did you put the other one?
Here.
Oh. This is hard. Struggle right now. Oh, little cat. Ooh, is that a cat? Yeah, it's a cat. So we're gonna put it in front. Wait. Of the slimes.
Meow.
Oh, this one is the pink one. Goes with the pink. I can't open this. Oh, the little surprise was a baby elephant, guys. It's so adorable. So yeah, belongs in
I
there.
think that one's the cutest.
Yes, I love the kitten and the duckling. So yeah.
So overall, what do you think about the Putty surprise? It was hard to open,
Yeah.
but it looks pretty cool. Seems like it would be fun to play with.
So like so the favorite one I like and the one I like the most is the pink one, and it smells so good. So yeah, and the kitty is so beautiful.
Okay.
Hope you love this video. Click and subscribe to my channel, and bye.